Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. My name is Mohammed Ramzan and the expertise of mine are relevant to English discipline. आज की वीडियो that's really important. हम बात करने जा रहे हैं how we can improve our voice tonality. That's really important and most of my friends paid me a compliment that your voice is so much clear and tonality of your voice is so much effective. तो आज मैं इस वीडियो के अंदर आपके साथ वो तमाम तर टैक्टिक्स शेयर करने जा रहा हूँ जिससे आपकी वॉइस टोनैलिटी इम्प्रूव होगी। आप एक इफ़ेक्टिव स्पीकर, आप एक इफ़ेक्टिव कम्युनिकेशन करने के काबिल हो जाएंगे एंड यू विल सी दैट आफ्टर implementing all the strategies that I will share in this video, a massive change is going to happen in your voice. So let's take the start. But before moving towards the video, I requesting to you that if you are new on my channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel. And we are very passionate to spread a positivity in our surroundings. So hope so you will also find a great productivity from our content. So let's take the start. The first strategy that I used in my practical life, it's about belly breathing. Before I'm talking, I use this strategy of belly breathing. What's belly breathing? Belly breathing is like that. You have to inhale the voice and you have to feel the oxygen in his belly. If you do this will help you to make your voice deeper and more richer. That's the perfect key that I uses in my practical life, and I got a massive beneficial benefits from this strategy because this strategy play a very crucial role in making my voice more effective and a more clear and a more deeper. So implement this strategy up to 30 or 40 days and you will see that a massive change you are looking in their voice. So it's really important. Now we will talk about and the second thing that is also really important, it's our pauses. Sometimes we are so much excited and we are so much excited and we speak in a very sharp manners. तो इस तरह से हमारी वॉइस तीखी हो जाती है and when our voice becomes sharp, the listener is also disturbed, feeling uncomfortable. जब हमारी वॉइस तीखी हो जाती है तो हमारा जो लिसनर होता है, ऑडियंस होता है, उसको फील करने में, उसको सुनने में हर्डल पेश आ रही होती है, वो कंफर्टेबल फील नहीं कर पा रहा होता। सो हमें एक पॉजेज के साथ, एक फिलर्स के साथ कम्युनिकेट करना चाहिए एंड दिस स्ट्रेटजी इज play a magical role in making our voice tonality so effective and the tonality of our vocals make a very important and improve our speaking skills. So it's really important to pauses and to use the fillers and pauses in their communication. Third thing that we are going to discuss, it's about self-awareness. What's meant by self-awareness? Self-awareness is a thing that you have to reckon your voice on a regular basis and you have to see that are you in a hurry or not, are you in a hurry or not, are you in a your voice tonality, where what is the your voice tonality, and you have to clarify all kinds of factors that you choose in your voices. When your voice becomes so much smoother and deeper, it will be a very sufficient for your communication. Along with the self-awareness, you also needs to check the relevancy of your audience. For example, if you are in a farewell functions, then your voice and your voice will be a little bit will be in an excited manners. And for example, when you are going for some kinds of interview or some kinds of presentations, there your voice tonality will also differ. So it's really important to check the relevancy of your audience. Finally, I wanted to conclude my today's video with these suggestions that if you want to improve your voice tonality, you have to record yourself on a regular basis, and then you have to listen all the stuff that you have recorded. After listening all kinds of the content that you have recorded, you have to check their voice tonality. You have to know is there are suitable pauses or not. If your voice is if your voice is going so much sharp and you are looking in hurry, that you need to clarify, that you need to reduce and minimize all kinds of the factors. And whenever you become the successful in negating all kinds of the factors, those play a very ineffective role in our communications, then you will see that a massive change is going to happen in your voice, and your voice tonality is becoming very perfect for communication and speaking skills. So the process is will be developed gradually, but not in overnight. You have to show a consistent and persistent behavior if you wanted to achieve your if you wanted to make your voice tonality so helpful, so effective for communication. Thank you so much. Stay tuned. Inshallah, we will meet in another video and you will find a great productivity. So if you find some kinds of the positivity from our videos, please like our video and share with your fellows. Thank you so much.